Hello, I'm Joshua Waxter, and this is a tour of my site, Burly. It is a beard, facial hair grooming, shaving site. So we'll get started with it. So here's the home page. Got some links. We got a image slider showing some lovely beards off. Some testimonials, some new products listed here. Some of them are on sale. Fancy. We got shopping sections where we can search through products. We can search through the entire site here with this option here. Search by product category here. We can see what products have recently been viewed. We can go to products and add them to the cart. We got a new section where the blogs show up. A couple simple blogs here. Some images, some lists, some social sharing, some comments. Links to other blogs there. A landing page. You can sign up for the newsletter to the wonderful site here. You can log out there. We can go to the cart, see the different products, see shipping rates and taxes, and proceed to checkout. We got billing information here, coupon information entered, payment information here as well. So short and sweet. My progress got a little short this week when my hard drive decided to die on me. So luckily a lot of this was done through the dashboard, and so I was able just to get logged back in and do site updates. But it cost me a little bit of time, and I did lose screenshots, which was a real bummer. So some of that stuff is hard to go back and get. But here's the site. Hopefully you like it. And hopefully you're having a great day. Thank you.